Here's the GM DC330 flatbed version. It is a combination of a conventional flatbed unit with hot foil and embossing, a screening unit, a flexographic station and a semi-rotary die cutter. I'll do a small walk through where I'll speak about the various stations in the machine. Let's first start at the beginning. We have an unwind station, a web guide and a dancer to accommodate the step movement of the hot stamping station. The hot stamping station features a foil tower for 2 foils that can run at the same time. The foil can run both along the web, but it can also be turned. We will show this, where how you turn this tower so you can run foil across the web as well. Thomas, could you flip the tower here? This is quite important for designs where you have both embossing and foiling. If you have a section where you don't want foil but you have embossing, you must be able to turn the foil. After the stamping station, we come to the screen. This is a conventional flatbed screen. It is equipped with servo drive where you can adjust the stroke of the machine. Can be adjusted while the machine runs because it's a servo drive. There is completely conventional setup with squeegees. In each side there is a precision adjustment of the mesh height. While the machine is running, you can adjust the stroke depth, and you can also see the action here when the machine is running. There is 4 pneumatic clamps to ensure that the mesh sits in the right position every time and it's locked firmly. After that we have a curing station. This is a GW with a wide reflector for curing of high build screen varnishes. Then we have the second dancer, because now the machine shifts into continuous web movement and not step movement. A small aligner to ensure the web runs completely straight. And then we go into the GM DC330 Mini, our full feature compact finishing unit. This unit has a flexographic station, foiling tower for lamination, cold foil and supergloss applications. It also has an unwind here, so you can actually bypass the whole screen stamping section and run offline or small jobs that only requires flexo and die cutting. You can run them here at a higher speed compared to feeding the whole line. The Mini features a GW curing system, Cocker and Beck gap master with gauges, hydraulic jacks. There's a slitting box, matrix rewind and dual rewind. So let's start the line up and see how it goes. This is a simple job. We are only doing screening and die cutting, but we could use all 3 stations doing hot stamping, screening, flexo, die cutting all in one flow. Let's take a look at the screen unit. And you see here the dancer is compensating, going from steady movement to step movement. Now this is a one-up job. The speed is slow because we only have one up on the screen. If we had 2 up or 3 up, the speed would be a lot faster. What is limiting the speed now is the screen unit. The screen unit is the slowest unit in the system. So from this operator pult I can pause the unit if I want to change the role or the matrix. The units are synchronized, so the last unit will follow the first unit, and we can stop and start, jog the whole line from the central panel. On the screen hot stamper panel, we have a very easy to use interface where you can see the various stations: screen, hot stamp and general. So you can access the speed of the hot stamp, the offset. In the screen you can control the squeegee speed, the offset, your start and stop position. And in general you can control the whole speed. And because it's a servo system, we can set the web tension electronically. So this was a quick view of the DC330 flatbed solution. For more information, contact your local agent or have a look at our website. Let's just wrap up with a look at the label. Here you can see the raised varnish here, you can feel it clearly, the high built screen varnish. The line is ideal for wine label like this, short to medium runs, high quality labels.